Our journey now takes us away from the tropics and towards the vast plains of Africa, the savannas. The savannas, the border areas between extreme precipitations, have a wide variety of vegetation, depending on the available amount of water. The wide belt of savannas stretches from the Sahel in the north over the East African savannas, like the Serengeti, to South Africa with its so-called veld. The most arid savanna types are the thornbush savannas, usually located directly adjacent to deserts, where almost exclusively low and bushy plants are found. The dry savannas further on towards the equator produce greener landscapes with the help of some rivers and more rain. Especially green are the riparian forests, which spread along the banks with their cooler temperatures and more hospitable environments. The humid savannas, which can be recognized by their almost exclusively green landscapes, are located close to tropical rainforests. Due to the large food supply, humid savannas are also frequently the scenes of spectacular migrations of zebra and wildebeest. The lush meadows and swaying grasses of the savannas are like a small taste of paradise. Far and wide, the green plains of the African landscape stretch onto the horizon under the warm sun. The savannas of Africa, on land and in the air, a fantastic interplay of nature. The rivers and streams that run through the savanna are the basis for the biodiversity. But the cool water does not flow all year long through the sunny spaces. The savannas are subjected to a never-ending cycle of rainy and dry seasons. In the rainy season, there is an extreme amount of rainfall, turning the land green and causing the rivers to swell and flood their banks. The savanna is most fertile during this time, but also the rainy season must finally come to an end. In the dry season, the water supplies slowly but surely start diminishing. Humans and animals move to other, more humid regions as the rivers continue to dry up. Savannas are a distinctive feature of the African landscape. They cut broad swathes between the jungles in the heartland of Africa and the vast deserts along both the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. With meter-high elephant grass and broad roofs of acacia leaves, the savannas of Africa are a food source for a large variety of animals. In one of the rivers of a savanna, a few crocodiles have laid in wait. To satisfy their hunger, they have no fear of even the largest prey. Because of the constant threat posed by these carnivorous lizards, the rivers are largely abandoned. Only a few animals are safe from the crocodiles. Although hippos look ponderous and slow, they can very well defend themselves against predators like crocodiles. Besides these large animals, the savanna is home to countless species that one can easily overlook in the tall grass. The animals ensure their survival by living together in small groups. Together they find more food and warn each other of predators, and they are lurking everywhere. On the edge of this watering hole, a lioness refreshes herself with the cool water. Lions are the largest cats in Africa, and the only great cat that lives together in packs. Their most striking feature is the large mane. This head of hair is not yet formed on the young animals. The darker and more magnificent the mane later becomes, the stronger the male will be. The cubs are raised not only by their own mother, but by all the lionesses. Unlike their relative, the house cat, concern for hygiene is rather limited amongst lions. Vultures are always grateful for a piece of carrion, but they rarely get to sample the next inhabitant.